I looked into Bun and Deno too, and honestly, both runtimes have come a long way, but they appeal to different kinds of developers. Bun is all about speed. It's built in Zig, and everything from startup time to dependency installs feels insanely fast. If you just want raw performance and a bundled toolkit, like a built-in bundler, test runner, and package manager, Bun gives you a super streamlined setup without juggling extra tools. Deno 2, on the other hand, focuses more on stability, security, and modern standards. It fixes many of Node's long-standing issues, offers first-class TypeScript support, and includes permissions by default. It's also more mature when it comes to edge deployment, cloud integration, and long-term maintainability. Deno 2's ecosystem is smaller than Node's, but growing steadily. Where Bun struggles is reliability. It's extremely fast, but still experiences more breaking changes and unexpected bugs compared to Deno. Deno 2 might not always match Bun's speed, but it feels more predictable and battle-tested. Overall, if you want raw performance and modern tooling in one package, Bun is exciting. But if you care about stability, security features, and long-term compatibility, Deno 2 is the safer and more complete choice.